Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because one of my favorite indie brands, Bella Beaute Bar, is about to drop their On Cloud 9 palette. It actually drops today, the day I am filming, so hopefully I can get this video up later this evening when I get home from work. But let's take a peek inside. If you haven't seen it already, this palette has been making the rounds on Instagram, and it is a beauty. You're getting 7 buttery, beautiful multi-chrome shimmers in here and 5 matte shadows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 matte shadows. What I like about the duo or the multi-chromes, I should say, is that you can see that you can take them one by one because they're kind of sectioned off, or you can swirl them all together, use your finger, dab it on your eyelid. There's a lot of possibilities with this palette. I think it's spring, it's summer, it's fun all year round. You do get a full-size mirror and you can pop out all of these and put them in your own magnetic palette if you choose to do so. This palette, again, drops today. It's going to retail for $69. I do have an affiliate code and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. I'll be creating 2 looks for you guys right now. Okay, so I have already primed. This is me. Those sounds are me getting myself organized in the chair. I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to do 1 look on each eye for the sake of time. And then I will wrap up this video when I get home from work, and you'll see which eye look I chose to go to work in. So I love a good blue. I'm glad that they're including blue. So it's going to be like a blue and a pink. Well, maybe we'll see. I think I'm going to start here. Let me start here first. I love this color on the lower lash line, so we'll see if that's the route I go, but I'm going to start here with this one. I'm taking this shade, which looks way more fluorescent, way more fluorescent in person than it does on camera, on a Game Beauty E06, and I'm just placing it above the crease, in the crease. Wow. Amazing payoff from this matte shadow. I think if you were to go in with a white base, just because this is more of a fluorescent, you'll definitely get it to pop way more. I went ahead and just added some powder around the eye area, just in case I get any fallout. It'll make it easy for me to wipe it away. You know, that could be the only shade that we use up here. I feel like it has a lot of pigment, a lot of color. And I used a bigger brush and it kind of just took over everything. So yeah, I think this is going to be the only matte I do up here. Now I'm going to go in with some Moira glitter glue and lay it down on the lid. Okay, now we need to pick one of these beautiful shadows. I mean, naturally you think to match it, you'd go with this one, but I think I'm going to do some type of a contrast. And I think I'm going to go down here with the green and the orange right in here. I'm going to start with the green one. I'm going to do that right here. Oh my goodness. Wow. These shadows are intense. I'm going to flip the brush around and go into the other shade. And this is a Refer 21, by the way, in case I didn't mention that. Again, you can apply these with your finger, no problem, but that is some insane pigment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this orange shade right here with my finger and just add that right there in the center between the two. And then I'm going to go back and really quickly touch up the matte shade. Okay, I think that looks cool. We need to do something for the lower lash line. And I think I'm going to use, oh, I wish there was a green in here, but I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. And this is my What's Up Beauty R107. Take that all the way through. And then we'll do something for the inner corner, lower lash line inner corner, and just add a little bit of the Moira glitter glue here. Now I'm gonna pick up this shade over here that on camera kind of looks washed out, but in person it's a pink and it just turned blue. Wow, you see the power of these multi-chromes. I'm gonna have to do something like purple in the waterline, but okay. Let's leave this here. I'm gonna add some lashes and some eyeliner, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1 with On Cloud 9. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I added some Dior mascara, some lashes, Kiss lashes, and some black eyeliner from Essence on the top lash line. In the lower waterline, I went in with a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Saw Ghost Pepper. I think this could have been a limited edition shade, but I think this looks really cool. The fluorescent orange is definitely more fluorescent, and like on my monitor it looks really muted, but it's a bright look. I'm looking in the mirror, it's a bright look. But this palette so far is performing really well, like I wouldn't expect it would. So let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I want to focus on using these beautiful blue shadows, and I think I'm just going to go straight in with this shadow here, and then this one will be for our outer corner. And I'm using a BK Beauty A502 to apply this shadow. I love a color like this. Okay, I think that is some really good payoff. Now I'm going to dip into that next shade, that darker shade, like this, and that's going to go right out here. This is like a blue purple shadow. Okay, I think that looks good. Let me get my little powder puff here, just kind of clean up the edge a bit, like that. Now I'm going to lay down some glitter primer to the lid. Now for shadows, I think I'm going to try this one on the outer half, and then we'll play with one of these for the inner. I'm still using my Refer 21. Actually, you know what I think I want to do? I'm going to place this all over, and then we can do some shadows on top of it. This is beautiful. Okay, that is some beautiful blue shadow. And I know blue shadow is not for everyone, but it's for me. I love it. All right, now I'm going to use my finger, and I think I'm going to go in with the purple side of this one. And I know it's going to probably just come across like a silver, but maybe not. No, you can see the purple there. Oh yeah. Okay, that's cool. These shimmers feel so buttery goodness, and there's a bit of texture to them. Texture is good. When you have texture on your eyelids like I do, I have the little creases. I think that looks so cool. Yay. Okay, let's move down to the lower lash line. I'm kind of tempted to use this one again on the lower lash line, but I haven't used the shade and I want to be able to say I used all the matte shades, so we'll do something really light on the lower lash line. And for this, I'm using a BK Beauty 207 brush, and I'm going to run that all the way through. Now for the inner corner, I'm just going to apply a little bit of glitter primer, glitter glue, and this is a What's Up Beauty R11. And now I'm going to dip into this shade right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Exactly what I wanted, and I have an eyeliner that color that'll look perfect in the waterline. I will be right back with this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. This look is definitely my favorite. I love the shimmers and the blue matte. I think it looks really cool. I used a ColourPop cream gel liner in, I think, Big Splash for the lower lash line, and then same everything else. I did not put any eyeliner on the top lash line. I didn't really feel it needed it since it's a little dark and it has all of these beautiful multi-chromes on the top. I need to pick one look and go to work in that look, but when I come back, I will give you guys my final thoughts on this new Bella Beaute Bar Cloud9 palette that drops today, and take advantage of my affiliate code Steff10 to save yourself 10% off. I will see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so here's what the eye makeup looks like at the 10-hour mark. I want to say I got a lot of compliments on my eye look today, and that's because I haven't really been doing a lot of eye looks for work. I've just been doing the natural look a lot lately, so it was fun to put eyeshadow on again. I'm just actually coming off of vacation, so I really don't wear makeup on vacation anyway, but on Cloud9 from Bella Beaute Bar, one of my favorite indie makeup brands. This palette is available right now. The day that I'm filming, editing, and uploading is the day that this palette drops. You can use my affiliate code Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of the Bella Beaute Bar website, including this beautiful 12-pan magnetic palette right here. Beautiful multi-chromes in here. You can take each shade in here individually, or you can swirl them together and apply it with your finger on your lid, whatever you want to do. I will say that I did get a little bit of fallout throughout the day, so I would definitely make sure you use a good glitter primer. My favorites are the one from Moira and from Gourmand Girls. But the mattes are really good. I love a good blue eyeshadow look, and this is just so much fun. I really enjoyed using this palette. I definitely think for me, it's more of a spring summertime palette, but then I wear blue eyeshadow all year round. Let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? This is my favorite right here. And let me know if On Cloud9 is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.